In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted page Squarespace. If you've ever accidentally removed a page or changed your mind after cleaning up your site, don't worry. Squarespace includes a safety net that makes recovery straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get your content back in just a minute or two. Start on your Squarespace dashboard. From the main menu, open your site area by clicking Website. This takes you into the place where you manage your site's content and design, and it's the quickest route to everything related to your pages. Next, head into Pages. This is where all your site's navigation, not linked content, and collections live. Even though the page you're looking for is deleted, this is still the right place, because Squarespace keeps removed items connected to this panel. Look for the section labeled Deleted Pages. Think of this as your recycle bin. Squarespace holds recently deleted pages here for a limited time before removing them permanently. It's designed to protect you from accidental deletions and to give you a chance to change your mind. Open that section and scan the list for the page you want back. If you have many items, use the page titles and thumbnails to identify the correct one. When you've found the right page, hover your cursor over it to reveal the available actions, then click Restore. This action tells Squarespace to bring back the page with its sections and content blocks intact. You're not publishing anything new here. You're simply reversing the deletion. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Confirm to finalize the restore. This is your final check to ensure you're bringing back the correct page, which helps prevent duplicates or clutter. After confirming, the page will reappear in your Pages panel. It typically returns in a safe spot where you can see it without it instantly changing your live navigation. Your original content, layouts, and media should be preserved, so you can open the page and verify everything looks the way you expect. A couple of helpful tips. As you finish up, if you don't see the page in Deleted Pages, it may have been permanently removed, or you might be viewing a different site in your account. Also, if you restored an older version of a page, your links and search results will usually reconnect once the page is back, provided the page slug hasn't changed. That's it. Your deleted page is restored and ready to go. Thanks for watching and happy building.